Hello everybody. We are live on Facebook page. This is Math Scientist workshop class. Let all the kids come, and it's so grateful to be online for the first time and give all the kids nice experiments. This is quite enjoying and creative experiments that everybody is gonna do with me. So if you don't know what is going to be in the live, I will tell that there is a requirement list in the page. If you go and check, there's a requirement list. So kindly scroll on the page. There's a requirement list. We can check the requirement list and get back, so that everybody who are in the live session, we can always do together, and it is a fun program rather than only one-to-one. So kindly check on the live list and on the comments as well, the requirement list on the comments, and get back with the requirement list. Hi Ralina, good to see you here. Okay, so what we need to do is, kindly, if you don't know how to do it, just scroll the page down. There's a requirement list. Kindly check the requirement list and come back with your kids if you have not seen the requirement list. If you want me to speak, I will tell you what all things we need. So the things that we need are already mentioned in the requirement list, but then too I'll just share with you what we need. So what we need today is a little of your baking soda. I have mentioned already. We need little of your baking soda. We need a little any particular glass or anything that we have for measuring the water. We can have vinegar. If we do not have vinegar, we can have citric acid. We can have citric acid other than vinegar. We need a balloon and a small plastic bottle. We need a balloon and small plastic bottle. Thank you, Preeti Joseph. That's so really nice. Okay. So we'll wait for all the people to join in for 5-10 minutes. Till then, I'll just tell everybody what do we need. We need a small plastic bottle. We need a balloon. If you do not have balloon, what do we need? If we do not have balloon, we need a disposable glove. It is corona, there are all the corona issues going on, so everybody will be having these gloves in the house. If you do not have, then we can have balloon. Okay, till everybody comes, I'll just tell. Okay, Radhika is asking me what all we do. Okay, so we have come up live on our Facebook page, Math Scientist, and along with that, we have already collaborated with DF Events. So today, I'll just give you a little gist of what we do. We are from Math Scientist, doing all the crazy scientific stuff. We do a lot of science shows in birthday parties. All the activities like perfume making, spin art. There are a lot of activities. You can scroll down on my page and view that. With DF Events does all the decoration part and all the activities. We also take virtual birthday parties. In virtual birthday parties, we'll have a lot of fun by interacting with kids. They do all the experiments and have a lot of fun. So kindly, if you have any requirement of your birthday parties with DF Events or Math Scientist, we can do that. Click a like button if you have not done on my page. Click a like button, please do that. Okay, I'll wait for 5 more minutes for all the people to get in, so that everybody enjoys the session and nobody is left out. Okay, so instead of the private messages that I'm getting, best of luck, thank you, that's nice, can we have on the comments so that I can understand how many people are there? So I'm getting a lot of comments on my chat box. Can we have that on our normal page? Then it will be really good. That's nice. We'll wait for few students to get everything and attend my live session of science experiments and have a lot of fun. So I again repeat what all we need. We need a small bottle with us. Yes, we need a small bottle with us. We need citric acid, or we can have vinegar. That is also fine. Anything which is available at home. The citric acid also mama uses in the kitchen to cook food and uses in the drinks like soda and all those stuff. Now, what all we need is we need a balloon or a plastic small bottle. Otherwise, we don't have a balloon in the house. What all we can do? We can take a normal plastic glass and hand gloves, which are available as the corona issues are going on. Everybody has these gloves at home. So kindly take the gloves or aid and get back. Everybody, come on. I need comments and I need likes so that I can understand how many kids we have and I can proceed further. There are 2 live pages. So we will, if any of your student is having any doubts, we can get back to me on the messenger so that I can see. Anybody has any doubts, we can come back and message here so that I can understand what all is going on. I would wait for some time so that everybody gets in. Come on, I need all the kids to have a free live session by Math Scientist and DF Events so that you can have a lot of fun. Okay, I have already given the requirement list so that if anybody is, finding out on the page and not finding it out, we can check it on the page or the comments. I have already mentioned in the comments. Okay, Viral, you can also comment on my chat box so that everybody understands how many kids are there. If anybody has doubts, we can just come here. Hi, Munira, hi. So we are doing amazing experiments here. So we are going to do 2 fantastic experiments. So bring all the requirements which is already mentioned on my page, like both the pages, DF Events and Math Scientist, so that we can proceed further. And I'm waiting for all the people to come live, all the kids, so that everybody enjoys it and have a lot of fun. I'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we start. Okay, Meena Rathod. Meena Rathod, hello. Yes. So everybody is excited for these science experiments. Exactly. Okay. There are so many lot of my friends, my relatives, all my clients actually wondering what Math Scientist does and what all exactly Math Scientist is all about, because it's like a crazy name. So what exactly it is fun experiments basically which helps the kids to develop their brain. It is an exciting thing to increase their scientific temperament. Along with that, we have collaborated with DF Events, which does fantastic decorations in all the birthday parties. So kindly like both the pages and give us a lot of love so that we can start with the experiment. I would like all the kids to come really fast so that I can start and have a lot of fun doing experiments with me. So there are 2 pages I'm live on. I can see only viewers on my page. We can see the viewers on other page. We can just message how many are there, and if anybody has any doubts, we can look out of your status also. If they have any doubts, you can message me here instead of the chat box, because I won't be able to see the chat box. Kindly give the comments here. Okay. Let's start. I guess we should start. So before starting, what we are doing an exciting experiment. Before everybody comes in, we are going to perfect. So we are going to have an exciting experiment that is going to craze the kids. So what we are going to do is, first of all, I need little comments from all the kids. Yeah, I need comments from all the kids in the chat box if we don't have, if we have any issues or anything which we have. So kindly check if we have any doubts. I can be there to help you out. So let's start with the experiments. I'm ready to start. If all the kids are there, please come up, please join so that we have more fun. All the kids which are there, if they come up, this video will be there on my page, but I would love if they are doing with me live, because the point of doing live session is all the kids which are there, they're doing experiments with me. So it is all fun when they are live and doing experiments with me. So kindly join in on the comment box, say hello. If we are doing it, say a thumbs up. Any doubts, raise your hand so that I can start. Okay, so I guess we should start till all the parents come in. So again, I repeat one time what all we need. So for this experiment, what all are we needing is, we need little of baking soda. We need little of baking soda, as everybody can see. We can have a vinegar, which is we use in the kitchen. If we do not have vinegar, there's an option. We can take citric acid. Otherwise, if you do not have citric acid also at home, so what should we do? Quickly take lemons, the normal lemons, and squeeze them up and take out the juice of it. So how many lemons are you going to take? You can take 2 lemons. Not right now. For the other experiment also we need 2 lemons. So don't use that lemons. If you have extra, then only use it. Okay. So I repeat one time. We need vinegar. We need a small plastic bottle or glass. We need a balloon. If we have a bottle, we need a balloon. If we have hand gloves, we need a glass. So let's quickly start. What are we going to do? So all the kids who are there with me, can you share with, can you send hi, and can you say let's start, so that we can start. Come on, let's say let's start with enthusiasm, with all these fun science experiments. Let's start. Okay, I'm still waiting. I guess there are a lot of people who are struggling to join in the class. There were a lot of calls I got in the morning regarding the live that I'm doing today. So if you have any troubles, we can do it on my phone. You can message me up and then join in. Let's start. So the first thing that we are going to do is, we're going to take I'll take a small bottle. Okay, we take a small bottle. If we do not have a bottle, we can take a glass. I repeat one time. We take a small bottle and a balloon. If you have the glass, we take the gloves. Okay, now let's start. People who have vinegar can use vinegar in the bottle. People who do not have vinegar. Hi Shishma, hello. So people are excited and I'm very happy. So let's bring all the kids. You can share. So basically this live video can be shared with everybody. This is really beneficial. So if you can share my video with everybody, it will be really grateful and helpful to all the other kids who are excited to do all these science experiments. So what do? We have to fill half. Okay, we can wait for 5 minutes. Yes. Okay, sharer. I am getting a sharer, so we can please share, so that you know it is real fun with all the kids. Everybody, please join in and have lot of fun with science experiments. If you do not have any requirement list, we can check on your list. We can check, scroll down on the page, check with the requirement list. If you do not want to check, we have in the comment box. So we have in the comment box what all we require. So kindly check that and get back fast, so that we can have amazing session with all the kids out here. So I have already shared you my requirement list. If you want to check with the requirement list, kindly check my button, comment box. If you want, I'll speak loudly so that anybody has any doubts. There's a comment box. I'm reading it all again. We need one glass and disposable hand glove. We need one glass and a disposable hand glove, or we need a balloon and a small bottle. Otherwise, what all we need is, we need vinegar and some baking soda with us. We need spoons and we need water. This is for the first experiment. For the second experiment, what do we need is, we need 2 glasses. So we are going to take 2 transparent kachka glass, which we have. The glass, we need salt. So we need 3 big spoons of salt. We need 2 lemon. We need 2 lemon. And we need spoon. That's it. Okay. Hi Shruti, Kruti, hello everybody. So let's start now. It's a long time. Cannot open the page, too many. Redirection upward. Okay. There is a problem. They are saying that they are not able to join in the view. Log into another account. It is from your account. Okay. Any issues in enrolling it? I guess there are 2 to 3 parents calling me up for the same. They're not able to join. If you're not able to join, you can connect on my Facebook page directly. Other than liking my link, you can come to Math Scientist. You can type Math Scientist or you can type DF Events. On both the pages I'm live. We can type Math Scientist page. If you're not getting Math Scientist, we can type Math Scientist Bhavna. Otherwise, we can type as DF Events. On both the pages, I'm going live. So the people who are calling me up that we are not able to join the session, kindly join it by typing any of these 2 pages and join in the live session. I can see people who are there live with me, and there are kids who are not able to join in. So kindly check Math Scientist page and get back quick. Chalo, let's start the class. There are some parents who are not able to join in. Please try one more time. This is my page. You're showing my page. Okay. Kindly join in. People are leaving because there's a lot of wait. So kindly check fast and get back. Okay. So let's start the class. Join everybody. Please join in. There's a problem. I guess there's a problem where it is showing it's not, people are not able to access it. Quickly join in. Okay, chalo, let's start now. Enough of waiting. So we are excited for these experiments. So we are going to take a small plastic bottle. We are going to add vinegar to it. We are going to add vinegar to it. If we do not have vinegar, Then we are going to add citric acid. If you do not have vinegar, we can add citric acid. If we have citric acid, we need little water so that we mix it up. So we are going to have nice water, like half of it. We can fill half the bottle. So we are going to fill half the bottle and mix it up so that it dissolves nicely, it mixes nicely. All the kids out here, kindly mix properly. Okay, Veeran, is there any problem in joining of the event? Are there any messages that they can't join? Okay, so we have half of the bottle. I have filled with citric acid because I don't have vinegar. You can take vinegar with you. Okay, now what do we need next? We need a balloon, which is kids' favorite thing, a balloon. So everybody takes a balloon. Okay, the kids who do not have a balloon and a bottle, we take a glass and we take citric acid in the glass. If you want to do it, we take citric acid, or we can take vinegar, anything which you have, we can take it. How many spoons? We can take 3 spoons. If we have a glass, we need little more. If we have a bottle, we need only 2 spoons. If you have vinegar, there is no problem of the spoons. So everybody is excited for the class. Okay, hi Jignesh, hello. So let's everybody join in. So what have I taken? To the new joinees which are there in the class, what I have taken is, I have taken vinegar in this. If we do not have vinegar, you can take lemon juice. If we do not have lemon juice, we can take citric acid and have fun. Okay, now what do we take? We have a balloon. In this balloon, we are going to take baking soda. Baking soda is generally used in, making cakes fluffy, or we can use it in your cookies. There are so many things where you use baking soda. We can, as we are doing it at home, we can take these things which are available at home. Generally, baking powder are used in baking the cakes and everything, but it is a milder version. It's mild. So we are using baking soda here. So you can get baking soda. We are using baking soda here. What are we going to do is, we are going to fill this balloon with baking soda. How much of it? We need 3 spoons. Again, we need 3 spoons. Thank you so much. Nicely explaining. Thank you so much. So what do we need is, we need 3 big spoons of your baking soda. So I'm going to take 3 spoons of your baking soda. What are you going to do? This is the mouth of it. You just have to open it. If you can open it, otherwise just hold it and take a back of the spoon, put it inside. Okay, this is quite amazing thing. If your parents are around, we can actually have fun with the parents, and they can just stretch it and then you can put it. So that is also fun with the parents. Doing experiments with family is the most amazing thing. So if you want your parents' help, you can do that. If you are well and good doing it alone, we can do it alone. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add lot of baking soda so I can have bigger explosions. So I'm going to add like 3 big spoons of baking soda here. Let's go and add big spoons of baking soda, and here I go. So everybody, all the kids which are there, are they doing it with me? Show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. If they don't have the requirement list, it's in the chat box. There are some comments which I cannot see. So kindly share it. Share the live video so that it will be benefited to all the kids which are there. So kindly share it to all the kids which require all these exciting experiments at home and getting bored in lockdown. Kindly do that. Till then we fill the balloon with the baking soda. Okay, it's all like powdery around. Let's add 3 big spoons again. I'm having little, oh, it's gone inside. Okay. I'm going to have 3 big spoons and put it inside. Okay, everybody is doing it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you're doing it. If it is not an interactive session, there is no point in going live. So kindly like it, like the pages, both the pages, and give comments so that I can understand what is going on. Okay, there are a lot of messages on my chat box. Instead of the chat box, I want you to comment on my live so that I can understand properly. Till then, we add 3 big spoons of your baking soda in this and do it. Okay, Viral Toprani, that is super good. Thank you so much. Okay, so what we have done is I'm just clearing it up and we have filled it with baking soda. We have filled it with baking soda. If it is little messy and it is coming out, we can just wipe it off and have a lot of, clean it up. Okay, so we are going to take baking soda in this balloon. If we do not have a balloon, we are going to take baking soda in your hand gloves. So I'm going to take baking soda. Baking soda in the hand gloves is quite super simple and super easy. Okay, so I'm just going to have big spoon and just pour it here. I hope there is no pore and there is no hole inside. I don't want any hole and pores inside. So quickly add 3 big spoons of baking soda in this so that you can have amazing explosion. So I'm going to have 3 big spoons of your baking soda in this hand gloves. Okay, what's the next what we are going to do? What's the next? Oh, all the kids who are there, just think what should we do next? Okay, I'll give you a hint. We have a balloon out here and we have a bottle here. In this balloon, what we have filled is baking soda, and what we have filled in this bottle, we have filled vinegar. If you do not have vinegar, we can take lemon juice. That is also fine. Okay. So are we doing it? Just take these 2 and repeat again. In this bottle, we need vinegar. In this, we need baking soda. If we do not have a bottle and a balloon, we are going to take a glass and we are going to take your hand gloves. These are the 2 things that we need. Okay, so are we all ready and excited for the actual demonstration of what is going to happen? So let's start with the demonstration. So what are you going to do is, we are going to quickly take this balloon. We're going to open it up and just cover the top. We're going to open the bottle and cover the top. We have opened the bottle and covered it up. Okay. So this is it. All the kids who are viewing and doing, please share some love and lots of comments so that I can understand if we are doing it together and having a lot of fun. I would request everybody. Okay, so what are we doing is, we are taking a bottle, we are taking a balloon. This is the setup that we need to have. We can just top it up and cover the mouth of the bottle. Otherwise, we're gonna take the gloves and we're gonna cover the mouth of your glass. Okay, there are some parents who are asking that there are some things which are not available with us. So if you don't have anything, can you please write it in the comment box so that I can understand what you don't have. These are all household things. We just have baking soda, we just have vinegar and all these simple things. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Saloni. Okay. So what are we going to do is, we are just taking a glass. We have taken a glass. We have covered it the mouth of the glass with the gloves and kept the glass down. Kept the gloves down. The second setup we have done is with the balloon. The kids who are doing it with us, who have the balloon, can keep it here, the balloon here, and the bottle like this. Okay, so are we ready for a proper explosion and having lot of fun? So let's do it. Let's do the experiment. I'm super excited and happy. So let's just go and do it. So thank you so much, Munira. So what are we going to do is we are just going to take it up and we're gonna put the powder inside. 1, 2, 3, and wow! What has happened? It's super fun. Oh my god. My entire balloon is just blown up without using my mouth. That is super cool. Guys, all the kids who are there, please, please, please show some love and comment so that I can understand if you're doing it together. Look what is happening. If you're seeing, there are a lot of bubbles which are coming out. There are a lot of bubbles and my entire balloon is there which is filled up with the gas, and it's like, you know, I'm not even using my mouth. That is super fun. And my balloon is growing bigger and bigger. That is super fun and exciting. Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you so much. I would like all the students who are doing with me to like it and share with everybody so that everybody understands what is going on. Come on, let's do it. Okay, so we have already done the first experiment. Now, what is actually happening here? So for all the younger kids which are attending here, it is so much fun. Like there is one chemical, there's another one, which are household things, and it is just mixing up and blowing up with a gas. You know which gas is this? Do you know which gas is this? Okay, so everybody has to breathe in with me. So we are going to breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I want all the kids to do this activity. Come on, all the parents, all the kids with me. Come on, do this activity. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do you know which gas did you just exhaled? You exhaled a gas which is called as carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide which is there, it has got filled up in the balloon. How did the carbon dioxide come up? So you can see a lot of bubbles here. So when citric acid reacts, or vinegar reacts with baking soda, for all the teenage kids which are there, or all the kids which are there here, kindly see what is happening. It is super fun. There are a lot of bubbles which are coming out. What is happening exactly? Baking soda is reacting with vinegar, and we are seeing a gas which is coming out, and we can see an amazing balloon blown on its own. That is super fun. Yes. Okay. So this is the first experiment that we were going to do. Before proceeding to the other experiment, kindly like both the pages. We are going to like DF Events and we are going to like Math Scientist page. Okay, we are going to like both the pages. What all we do, what all Math Scientist does, and what all DF Events do. So Math Scientist is amazing, organization which thinks that all these scientific experiments should be done with fun learning. So we do a lot of workshop with kids in quarantine because kids are getting really bored. So our classes are starting from Monday. You can enroll for the Monday classes and leave a comment if you want your numbers. You can give your numbers and our team can be, will revert back. If you want any birthday parties and fun experiments, you can contact both of us, Math Scientist and DF Events, which will organize, amazing birthday parties, and you will have a lot of fun. So virtual birthday parties and virtual workshops are amazing with the Math Scientist and DF Events. So kindly just click a like button and share it with all the friends who wants to do this fun activity with us. Okay, Meena Rathod. Okay, I have not lemons. You do not have lemon. We can use vinegar. Instead of lemon, we can use vinegar. Okay. Okay. We have great experiment. Love your work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Marut. Thank you so much. So what are we doing is we are going to, fill up with a gas without using your mouth. That is super fun. That is science. Oh wow, science is the organized knowledge. Yes, yes, Math Scientist is doing wonderful job. Thank you so much, Chirag. Thank you so much for your comment and love. So we have done this activity. So before we proceed further, I would repeat one more time what we need. What we need is we need vinegar. We do not have vinegar, we can have citric acid. In Hindi it is called as neemu fool. Neemu fool se aap sharbat banate ho, we can have that. If we do not have citric acid, we can have vinegar or lemon juice that I've already told you. We can squeeze out 2 to 3 lemons and take a juice out of it. But remember, we need 2 lemons for the other experiment also. So do not do that, squeeze those lemons. Only do it if you have the extra ones. So I repeat one more time. We have taken baking soda with us. We have taken 3 spoons of baking soda with us and added in a glove or in a balloon like this. Otherwise, we have taken vinegar or citric acid, anything which we have, or lemon juice in the glass or in your bottle. This way. There are so many quite exciting comments that I'm loving it. Thank you so much for your love. So kindly join in, all the kids, if you're not done yet, and show amazing interest here and have a lot of fun. Okay, so quickly let's see what is going to happen with this hand gloves. I'm not actually understanding what is going to happen with this hand gloves. The balloon is going to explode. What about these hand gloves? So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna pick it up and I don't know what is going to happen. Hopefully there should be no hole. I have used a little of the hand gloves which is kept here so that there should be no holes. If there are no holes, so this experiment will be successful. If there are holes, hello! Wow, it's gonna explode! It's gonna explode and we're gonna have lots of fun! So hello everybody! Koop Saras, thank you so much. Mukesh, thank you so much for your love. So it is actually exploding and people will be thinking, what is this exactly? This is not a balloon, but this is something which is hand gloves, and this is going to explode if I just don't leave it. So do you want me to explode this? No, right? So it's like super fun, and there is lot of gas which is filled up. So quickly I give you a reminder, what is the gas basically? This gas is nothing but it is carbon dioxide which we exhale out. What is carbon dioxide? This is oxygen which we inhale in, and carbon dioxide is what we exhale out. So this is nothing but the carbon dioxide. And say hello to everybody while doing experiments and having a lot of fun. Smita is saying hello and ba. Okay, thank you so much Smita. Thank you so much for your love. And say hello to everybody, all the kids out here. Have some fun. You know what I can do? I can just leave this. Oh my God. Whoa! It's gonna be a rocket. It's gonna be a rocket. But make sure that your parents are not getting troubled. And you want to make a rocket of this balloon? We can even make a rocket of this balloon, and my hands are a little wet. Okay, so let's make a balloon, make a rocket of this balloon. So what we are going to do is, we're just simply gonna, I just use some napkin. My hands are a little wet. So if it is wet, kindly you can use a napkin. What we can do is, kindly take this out. What we are going to do is, kindly we are going to take this out by one end. 1, 2, 3, and so much fun. Okay, so it is just acting like a balloon, and actually this got stuck inside. So it is going to just blow up like a aeroplane, and it's gonna, blow up. Okay, Yash, thank you so much. You're rocking, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. I would love and request everybody to just share it with all the kids who are there. There are some parents calling me out that I'm not able to log in and enter. I'm so sorry. If you're not doing that, we can join tomorrow also. Which, if you have some doubts, we can have in the inbox your number. We'll get back to you. We have a session tomorrow on Zoom, so you can kindly join in that. We have all the science workshops starting from Monday. Also, we do a lot of virtual birthdays. DF Events and Math Scientist does a lot of events with virtual birthday parties. So let's have some fun and let's do the second experiment. Okay, so for doing the second experiment, what is the important rule that you need to do? The important thing that you are going to do is, we are going to like the page. We're going to show a like, give a thumbs up, so that everybody is enjoying, and I get understand that my work is really nice. If you think that, kindly like my page. Okay, now for all the kids, if you don't have kids, even parents can enjoy these science experiments. There is no age for all these science experiments. There is actually no age. I also do all the experiments at all the time when I get time. So everybody can do it. In fact, we have a Sunday session where we sit with the family, all my sisters, relatives, my friends, my clients. They share their experiments with us. We share their experiments with them and have a lot of fun. So we can have these virtual sessions going on, lot of virtual sessions. So kindly like on my page for getting this subscription. So like my page. I would love if you like my page and DF Events page. So we would be encouraged for doing the experiment. So quickly join for the second experiment. So we are starting with the second experiment. For starting with the second experiment, what are we going to do? So what we need is we need 2 glasses. I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to show you what all we need. I have a setup ready. So we are going to do, we are going to have 2 glasses with us. We are going to have salt and we're going to have 2 lemon. Okay, that is important. Okay, and if you do not have lemon, you can take anything like a ball or anything which like seeds, any fruit seed which can just go inside the water. You can take anything which you like. So we have some Google Forms also. You can fill it if you like the class, and for tomorrow if you want to enroll again who have missed it. So what are we going to do? Let's start for the second activity. So what are we going to do is we're going to take 2 glasses. Let's take 2 glasses and fill some water. So I'm going to take 2 glasses and fill in some water. Kindly take the tray aside and fill it with water. Okay, so I repeat one more time. What are we doing is we're going to take 2 glasses which are empty and which are transparent so that you can understand the experiment properly. We're going to take water in that. So I'm going to fill it with water. Okay, here we go. I'm going to fill it with water. Here we go. So we have these 2 glasses which I have filled with water. Now what do I need? I need 2 lemon. I need 2 lemon with me. Okay. So the first lemon which is there, before starting the class, I would love if you're doing the experiments with us, please like and share. Manisha Gilani, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice explanation. Thank you. Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to take a lemon with us and we are going to take a glass. Just quickly take it and put it inside. What is happening? Can you see what is happening? The lemon which is there, it just sank down. It is sinking down. Are you able to see the lemon which is sinking down? So anything which goes down for the younger ones, anything, any younger ones from 4 to 7 who is attending my class, anything which goes down is called as sinking. So what is happening is the lemon which is there, it is sinking down. Okay. For all the elder ones here, all the elder ones about 7, what is happening? What is happening? The lemon is just going down. It is more heavier than water. It is more denser than water. The density of lemon is more than the water, and that is the reason it is going down. Now I don't like this going down. So what am I supposed to do? I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it float. Now this is not a magic. This is purely a science, purely science. So you can show the magic tricks to everybody in your school, in your class, and share this video so that you can have a lot of magic, some magic science which is there to have a lot of fun. So what we do is we quickly take salt. So I'm going to add 3 big spoons of salt. I'm going to add 3 big spoons of salt. Here I take 1, 2, and the 3, and the 3rd one is going inside. And what do we do next? We're simply gonna stir it, stir it, stir it. We're gonna mix it properly, dissolve all the salt which is there in the glass and mix it well. I'm gonna mix all the salt which is there in the glass and properly mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Superb. So everybody doing it with me. Come on, quickly mix it and dissolve all the salt in the glass which is there. Okay, now what do? I don't like this lemon to sink down. So what am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna take a lemon. I'm gonna take a lemon and let's see what is happening to the salt water. I don't know what is happening. Let's see. If the experiment fails, it's okay. If it doesn't, let's see what is happening. So I'm just gonna take some lemon and trying to go 1, 2, 3. All the kids out here, please come on, do it with me. And here we go. Woo! And the lemon which is there, it started floating. Can you see that? That is science. That's not magic. So what exactly made it float? So anything which is there above, it is called as floating. All the kids which are there, all the tiny ones, 4 to 7 years, anything which is above the water like this, or it is floating here. Can you see this? Are you seeing this? When I'm pushing it down, it comes up. I'm pushing it down, it comes up. That is super fun activity. So I'm just gonna push it down, it's come up. Push it down, it comes up. That is super fun. Why is it happening so? Anybody? Anybody here can say me what is happening? Oh my God. I'm not able to see all the comments out here. So I will quickly tell you what has happened. So what has happened is, for all the tiny ones, we have added lot of salt. Okay, we have added lot of salt. So it makes the water heavy. It makes the water heavy. All the kids from above 7, what is happening exactly when we are adding salt, when we are dissolving the salt in water, what exactly happens is we increase the density of the water. So the density of the water is more than the density of your lemon. If you see in my first glass, the density of your lemon was more than that of water. So it came down, it sank down. When the density of the water increases, how did we increase it? We have put salt in that. How many spoons? We have added 3 big spoons of salt. We have increased the density of your water, and we've just, what we have done is made the lemon float. So that is super fun experiment. So if you want to do more experiments with us, we have batch of 10 sessions live. We have done lot of, not live, sorry, on Zoom live, yes. So we do a lot of sessions on Zoom workshop, which is starting from Monday. So you can enroll for that and kindly join in for all the classes, Math Scientist super fun classes which you're joining in always. And along with that, we have a lot of multiple activity based workshop. The kids who do not only want to enjoy science, we can do bottle painting, we have art, craft, dancing, communication, manners. There are so many topics that we take. You can kindly check my Facebook page. Also, if you are looking for virtual birthday parties, if you are looking out for a scientific virtual birthday party, you can connect with Math Scientist. If you're looking for a funky and amazing birthday party where all the activities are there, we can always we are collaborated with DF Events. So kindly go and check the page and Math Scientist page together and have lot of fun. I hope everybody enjoyed all the class, the 2 experiments that we did. So I quickly give a recap of what exactly we have done. What we have done is simply we have done an acid-base reaction. In the first experiment, we have taken a small bottle and we have taken balloon. In the balloon, we have taken baking soda. In this bottle, we have taken vinegar. What do we do is just cover the top with this. What happens is when we invert the balloon inside, all the powder which is there, baking soda powder, it goes inside, reacts with vinegar, and there is acid-base reaction and the gas comes up. Which is the gas which is coming up? It's carbon dioxide. And also we have done the second experiment which you can see. This is a fun experiment, yes. Sunita Parmar, okay, when does we conduct? Okay, we have all these sessions ongoing. We have on Monday 1 session which you can kindly see on the comments. If you can go, we can do that. We have filled the form. Yes, if you have missed this, we can fill the form again and do the experiments and have a lot of fun. Okay, so now what are we doing? We have done this experiment. This is a density based experiment. In one glass you can see the lemon which is there, it is sinking down, it has gone down. In one it is floating up. So this is not magic, this is something which is called as science and super fun experiments. We can do it at home. Kindly inquire for the workshops and birthday parties so we can tell more about it. About this, we have done density experiment where we have increased the density of the water by adding salt, and we made the lemon float. So thank you for joining us, everybody. Please share this video. Please share this video, I repeat again, so that everybody have fun, and we can join in for more classes and more virtual birthday parties. So show some love by sharing this page to all your friends and all your colleagues which are there who have kids. We can also enjoy with the family. Also like the DF events page. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, anybody has any doubts? Amazing, kids are gonna love it. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. So anybody has any doubts, any comments, we can always, I'm there to watch out. If you have it, kindly do it. We can like both the pages, Math Scientist and DF party, birthday parties. We can like both the pages. We are live on both the pages. So we have more fun. Also, we are collaborated. Both of us are collaborated. So anytime you have any queries, you can ask any of us and have a lot of fun. Okay, any doubts, anything? Otherwise, we end the session. Okay, so I'm already giving the contact numbers so that everybody's getting it. Also, Viril Shah, you can give yours so that everybody knows what we are doing. We are doing virtual birthday parties and activities here. Okay. Perfect. Bhavna, good work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's end the session. Okay. Chetna Parekh is telling loved it. Okay. We loved it. Okay. So thank you, Yashwan. Thank you so much. Kindly share it with all of the students out there, everybody, so that everybody have fun by doing this experiments. Thank you so much for having us here. Kindly share this video with everybody so that everybody have fun. Thank you so much. We have both the numbers here. You can check. We have both the numbers here. So you can go and check numbers, and you can check the pages as well. Thank you so much. We are ending with the live session. Thank you so much. I don't. There's an option for saving.